Yeah, yeah.
Normally, in Turkey, I learned, but I cannot. I couldn't practice. Practice. I can say practice. I don't know.
Mm-hmm. So, okay. So, why do you want to learn English? What's your
Mm.
motivation? What's your goals?
Uh, my motivation is how can I say? Uh, because I have to learn because English. Uh, for example, I live the Belgium. If I no, how can I say? I live the Belgium. I have to speak English.
Uh-huh.
Every,
For
yeah, in
example,
everywhere.
vacation. Yeah.
Yeah, for
Mm-hmm.
conservation, conversation. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
for communicate with people. Yeah,
I
for
wanted to
this and
make sure.
maybe
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
I wanted to
Uh,
make sure that, for example, if you are on a tight schedule to wanted to take, for example, some test or get some certificate, for example, like IELTS or TOEFL, if it's like that or
yeah.
not.
No, but not for this. Only I want to speak
Uh-huh.
and
Okay.
to understand. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
For this, maybe I will work with my English. I don't know because for working for work okay for working
Mm-hmm.
in Belgium I need English. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
so I want to speak English.
Uh-huh. Very good. Very good. And tell me about your past experience of learning English.
Normally, I started to learn English. I when I was 10 years old, maybe. Yeah,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
and uh, after I take no, how can I say? I took English. No, I took lesson English.
Uh-huh.
Uh,
Uh-huh.
uh, how can I say? For 10 years, maybe. Yeah, for 8 years. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, but in university, I study with my Turkish, with my
Uh-huh.
language. So I cannot speak English in Turkey.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, Only one language in Turkey,
Mm-hmm.
which is Turkish.
Uh-huh.
So there is
Yes.
Turkish. So I cannot speak. Uh, After the university, I worked no, not com.
Uh-huh.
Same no as a lawyer. Yeah, I work. Uh, I worked. How can I say?
Uh-huh.
God, exact. Sorry.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Uh,
Yes.
yeah. For 4 years, I worked as a lawyer,
Mm-hmm.
uh, and after I came in Belgium, and in Belgium I learned French, not
Mm-hmm.
English,
Mm-hmm.
and now I can speak French, uh, Turkish, a little bit Dutch, and a little bit English,
Mm.
maybe.
Okay, very good, very good. Sounds nice. Okay, and what do you like more? Do you watch movies, series, animation, music? I don't know. You follow a YouTube channel, anything else?
Hmm.
Podcast?
Okay, and for example, before that, I want to say one thing. Now I took one course in Belgium
Mm-hmm.
uh,
Mm-hmm.
for English.
Uh-huh.
In well, yeah, but one times a week, one evening only,
Mm-hmm.
Tuesday evening,
Mm-hmm.
not so much because in Belgium